Let's start unboxing this little shit. Not gonna lie, I hate all the LPs in this thing. I want the goldfish. If I don't get the goldfish, there will be consequences. Anyways, we're gonna start unboxing this thing. I don't know how to open these freaking packages. I'm not the best at it, but I'm gonna be calm and open it. Get open! Okay, I pretty much got it open, so now we're gonna see. Oh my god, please, you better be the goldfish. You better be the goldfish. What? This does not look like the goldfish! This is a poking out his head! It's so stupid! I'm a goldfish. Okay, guys, my prayers are all for you. Because if I don't get the goldfish this time, there will be insane consequences for this little thing in here. Gotta keep you all plant now for the goldfish to eat. Now,